You can see the $400 balance in my account that I have earned installing apps, and in this video, I will show you a withdrawal proof of this amount. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website, where you can find different play-to-earn games and apps that you can install and get paid for installing them. And on an average, you can earn $30 per app you install, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, here you can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal or to your bank account through Visa and MasterCard. Not only that, you can also take withdrawal in different gift cards such as Google Play gift cards, Apple gift cards, Netflix gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many more. And if you love cryptocurrencies, then you can take withdrawal in the form of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and such other currencies available here. So you can be from any country around the world, and you can still make money on this website and easily take withdrawal from it. Now, the name of this website is earnut.com. I will leave a link to Earnut in the description of this video. As you can see, Earnut has over 4.4 star ratings on Trustpilot, and they have 24/7 chat support for their users. So if you face any problem, you can directly chat with them and solve your issue. And all this shows that Earnut is one of the legit websites to make money online. So the first thing I want you to do is to click where it says sign up and register yourself. Sign up process is very simple, and you can easily do it yourself. Now, step number 2 is once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I have already earned over $400 on Earnut installing apps and games. And on Earnut, you can make money in 3 ways: completing surveys, watching videos, and installing games and apps. I will show you all 3 of them, but our main focus today will be to earn money installing apps and games. So to earn money installing apps, you want to hover your mouse on offers and click on it. That's going to take you to this page where you can find many different play-to-earn games and apps that you can install and earn money online. And on an average, you can earn $30 per app you install from earnut.com. Sometimes you can also find famous apps like PayPal, Cash App, TikTok, and Instagram here that you can install and earn money installing them. Now, as you can see, here are many apps that you can install and earn money online, such as IQ Option app, which you can install on any of your devices like iOS device, Android device, or on your computer or laptop device, and get paid $7 for installing it. You can install Binance app, which is very famous. Crypto app like Coinbase app, you can install Binance and earn over $1.47. Just like you can install Cash Karma and get paid over $1 for installing it. There are a ton of such apps that you can install and get paid for installing them. Now, the step number 3. To make the most amount of money on Earnut, I want you to come to the top of this page and look for gaming apps. As you can see, most of the high-paying apps are the gaming apps that you can install from Earnut and earn money. So for example, if you love playing racing games, you can install this Chaos Cruiser game from here, play the game, and earn over $13 while you enjoy playing this game. Now, as you can see on this game offer is available for Android users only. But don't worry, you can find many games for iOS devices and for your computer or laptop also that you can play and earn money playing them. But for future videos, comment down below the device you use mostly, so that I can create more videos for you related to them. So now if you want to play this game and earn money, you can simply open up this offer, and it will show you the details of this play to earn games offer, which you can read here. But in short, you can play the car racing game here with your favorite car in the game, and you need to smash into as many other cars as possible to rack up points and become the champion. Also, here you can see how you will get paid per level you complete. So for completing 100 meters distance race, you will earn 7 points. For 200 meters distance, you will earn 35 points. For 400 meters, you will get 154 points. For 700 meters, you will get over 800 points. For 1000 meters, you will earn over 3,800 points. And at last, for 2000 meters distance, you will earn 8,400 points. And every 1000 points you earn are equal to $1 earned on Earnut. So in total, you will earn over $13 for installing and playing this game. One more important thing is that different games and apps has the different time period to make the payment to the users. And in this car game, they confirms your progress within 15 days, 6 hours, and 40 minutes from the time you installed this game on your device. So if in that time you have only covered 1000 meters distance, you will get all these points till 3,850 added directly to your Earnut account, which you can see under your profile. And if you have complete the whole game in those 15 days, you will get paid all these points into your Earnut account, which are equal to over $13. Now, to install this game, you just need to click Tracking Task, and from here you can scan this QR code with your Android device to install it, or you can log in your Earnut account on your Android device and then click on this Go to Offer Site button, and you can download the game from Google Play Store. Then just start playing the game and earn money playing it. Just like this here, you can find many different mining games, pirates games, fishing games, puzzle games, color games, etc. that you can play and earn a good amount of money for playing and enjoying those games. Now, the amount per app you get on this website will also depend on your country, but even if you are from Tier 3 countries like India, Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Ethiopia, South Africa, and other such countries, you can still earn $5 to $100 per day installing apps and games from earnut.com. So like this video, and for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you in future. Now, the step number 4, to earn 10 times more money than others, you want to come to the top of this page. Click the sort by filter from here and select the highest reward option. That's going to show you the highest paying apps and games available on Earnut for you. So for me, I have this highest paying apps and games ranging between $15 to $43 per app I install, or per game I play. So if I install this game on my Android device and start completing its levels, I will get paid over $43 for playing this game. And if I install this app on my iOS device, I will earn over $15 for installing this app. Now, if you click the platforms filter from there, you can select any device from here and you can get the specific offers for your device. So if I select the iOS option from there, it will show me only those apps and games that I can install on my iOS device and make money. Just like this, you can hover your mouse on offer type and you can select the specific type of offers you want to complete, such as play to earn games apps, survey completing apps, apps that pay you to register, and so on. Other way to 10x your earnings is to come over to the earn section from the top and scroll down a little bit on this page till you find the offer providers. These offer providers will help you to earn even more money installing apps and games and watching videos. For example, if you click on this offer provider, it will take you to this page where you can find even more apps and games to install. So if you install this game, you will earn over 63,000 points, which are equal to $63. Just like this, other 2 play to earn games app will pay you over 54,000 points, which are equal to $54. Not only that, if you select the AdSend Media offer provider, it will give you an option to watch videos and make money watching them. One more interesting way to 10x your earnings is to go over to rewards section from top. As you can see here, you can earn up to $250 by just spinning this wheel of excitement over here. But for this, you need a promo code, and if you don't have one, you can copy this code squirrel from here, which is given by Earnut to you for completely free, and paste it in this box. Then just click on spin the wheel button, the wheel will start spinning, and you can win some free money now. So as you can see, I have got 50 points, which are equal to 5 cents, and the same has been added to my account balance, which is really awesome. Now, the step number 5, to show you my live withdrawal proof from earnut.com, all I need to go where it says cash out, and on this page, you can withdraw your earnings through different cryptocurrencies or gift cards, or through different gaming skins available for you, but I personally like the PayPal method, so I am going to select the PayPal from there. Now on this page, I just need to fill in my PayPal email, my first name, and my last name in respective box. Then I need to select my country and fill in my complete address in this box. And most important part, I need to enter the number of coins I want to withdraw from Earnut, which I can know from the balance of my account, so I need to withdraw 400,050 coins from there to withdraw total $400.05 from here. So I will just type the same in this box, and as you can see, I will be charged $20 PayPal fee for that, and I will receive $380 after that. So let's click on the withdraw button. As you can see, Earnut has sent the amount to my PayPal, and I will receive the same within 5 business days to my PayPal account. So let's wait for it.
A few moments later.
And boom, as you can see, I have received the email for receiving $400 to my PayPal account, which is sent by earnut.com. Let me log into my PayPal account, and as you can see, I have received $378 net out of total $400 from Omaha Media, which is sent by earnut.com. Let me refresh this page for you so that you don't think this is some kind of screenshot or something like that. And as you can see again, I have received $380 from Earnut in my PayPal account. So like this video, and I will leave a link to earnut.com in the description of this video. You can sign up using that link and start earning money online. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.